Hello, welcome to Qualitel. My name is Tuanhai Hoang. I'm the president. Today we're standing in the lobby of two of our buildings. This building we manufacture electronics, mainly circuit card assembly, and I want to give you a quick overview of what we do. As you know, in a lot of electronics there's PCB, and on it, this is an example of a PCB that we currently manufacture. We basically put parts onto the boards, and as you look closely, you see a lot of pads. The old technology of PCB electronic manufacturing, the parts you put through the hole, but this one is on top of the board. So if you look into this case, you see a lot of different boards that actually have parts on it. And you can see on this board, there's two sides to the assembly, and again, a lot of it have parts that are on top. There's some through-hole parts that still go through the board, but for the main part, they sit on top of the board. So again, Qualitel, basically our customer designed the product, and they come to us because we share a lot of high-tech equipment here, and we have the people and the team and the engineers that put these products together. Again, the first level of a lot of the boards that we do, we put the parts on the board, and the next thing is that we do the final assembly. Here we have a product that you might recognize. You might not recognize this right now, but if I put this up, if you fly on any airplanes, you plug the power in, and this has the USB and power connector. So, but if you look inside, you see the circuit board in it and a lot of connections. So again, Qualitel put these parts together, and that's what we do. And just to give you a few more examples here, we do parts for aerospace, and then we do a lot of medical devices down here. A lot of it are used in hospitals. So, you know, being Qualitel, we're located in the U.S. A lot of the high complexity, high mixed product, generally lower volume, are done here in the U.S. still. But a lot of the higher volume, that like the Microsoft mouse or other stuff, they're all done offshore. So again, this hopefully give you an overview of what we do, and we'll show you more.